You have a very good mommy, Miz. Yes, you are.
Good girl.
I'm not sure that mommies are supposed to do that, but...
But she's a good mommy to that bunny.
Yeah, she is. She's taking care of that bunny.
You are.
Just listen to the mama.
What?
You know that's on here.
What?
I'm recording.
It.
Oh,
It's gonna go on YouTube.
No, shh. I'm watching Godzilla.
Okay, you watch Godzilla. I'm watching our kitty.
She's such a good mommy.
Yeah, she is.
Good job, Meg.
Yes, darling.
Yes, I know, I see. You are a very good mom. I see that. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, mommy's computer is not there. Oh, that is such a mistake.
Well,
Let's
yes,
fix it.
ma'am, it's my water bottle. Oh, cuteness.
What are you doing?
Cute. She's down there being fluffy, is what she's doing.
Oh. What do you...
She's being fluffy, is what she's doing.
Oh. Miss.
You realize that's gonna be on YouTube too.
What?
You realize everything you say is gonna be on YouTube.
That's okay.
Nobody YouTube this. This is good.
Why?
Okay.
Nobody's gonna watch it except us.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very hard to get people to watch a video.
Well, if it's awesome, I'm gonna do an awesome video. I'm gonna put it up.
Brad.
Oh, we're gonna watch Ghost Rider 2.
What?
Ghost Rider. That'll be terrible.
And right there, huh?
Hello, me.